Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to go ahead and install a new outlet into your wall. This is the outlet we are using. These are the plug-in ones. These aren't the ones that loop around. You just plug them in straight to the back, which I will show you. The tools you need for this job are a razor blade, some wire strippers and cutters, a Phillips screwdriver, and some needle nose pliers to help you out. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So first what we're going to do is that this is our 12 gauge wire. We're going to go ahead and we're going to shorten it up some. Just go ahead and take that off. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our razor blade and we're actually going to cut back the wire. So you just take the flat end and then you just pull down. What you're going to do is you're going to pull back on your wires. There's going to be paper inside. You're going to pull this all back and you're going to try to pull it back as far as you can. We're going to take wire strippers and we're going to cut back this plastic. Now you're going to have 3 wires in here. You're going to have a white one, a black one, and then your copper ground. So we're going to strip off the ends of these just a little bit, because that is where you're going to insert into your outlet. Now on your outlet there are 2 sets of screws. You're going to have ones with brass screws and then you're going to have the other side with silver screws. Black to brass, white to silver. So we're going to insert our black wire into our brass side and we're going to go ahead and tighten it up as best we can. You want to make sure it is tight so it doesn't have a chance of falling out, even if you pull on it. You're going to do the same thing with your white side as well. Again, make sure everything's nice and tight so even if it gets pulled on, it doesn't come out. Now you're going to take your ground wire. We're actually going to trim this back some. Then we're going to take the end of our pliers and we're actually going to bend it where it creates a hook. And this will go on your green ground screw. And just go ahead and bend back your wire some. And you're going to head and hook it on there. We're going to take our screwdriver again and we're going to tighten this up as tight as we can. We want to make sure nothing comes undone. Nice and tight. And then what I like to do is I actually like to take some needle nose pliers and I bend the hook onto itself so it becomes even tighter, so that way you don't have to worry about it coming undone. And I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So here it is. Here's your green ground wire, and then there is your white, and there is your black, and then it will look like straight up this way. And then once you have all your wires attached to your outlet and in place, you're just going to push it in best you can. And then you're just going to go ahead and tighten up the screws that are on the actual outlet into the box to set it in place. And there you go, you have your outlet installed. It was quick and easy, only takes about 2 minutes and with minimal supplies needed. If you guys like this video or want to see more like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button.